Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our reading for fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Hindi to magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukulat ng energy ng fire sign sa mundo. But anyway, kung nakarelate ka, kung makaka-resonate ka, kung ano lang yung mga energy or yung messages na makaka-resonate sa'yo, please do comment down below. Ayan, sobrang ma-appreciate ko. Heart, 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 smileys, emoticon. Ayan, kung naiiyak kayo sa reading, emoticon nyo yan. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. And, ayun. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. And please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay, let's start your reading. Fire sign. What do we have here for you, fire sign? Etong itim na card ang gagamitin ko sa'yo, and then later, the pink one is for your person. You do over the chaser, lightning, passion. Okay. And self-indulgence. Bottom of the deck is the coffin. Okay. Sino tong person na nakakonect mo? Fire sign. Person na nakakonect mo? Fire sign. Person na nakakonect mo? Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, person na nakakonect mo? Fire sign. Please, spirit guys, angel guys, person na nakakonect. Coffee cup, separation, clock. Oh my gosh, hindi pa ako nagsisimula ng reading but I can feel the energy. Nakakaiyak siya, guys. I don't know kung maganda ba ang messages, but we'll see. Energy pa lang yung napipick up ko and sobrang, oh my gosh, nakakaiyak siya. Wait lang. Medyo kinokolek or inaayos ko lang ang sarili ko before I start the reading. Sobrang intense, guys. Ayoko ng reading na ganito pero I have no choice, you know. Kailangan natin ituloy. Ang hirap. Okay, what do we have here for fire sign? Fire sign. For fire sign, please. For fire sign, okay. Wait lang, guys. Bago ako magsimula, bigyan mo ako ng time. Inom lang ako ng tubig. Ipopost ko lang yung video, okay? Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. Anyway, the chaser is here. This is you. Parang ang laki ng pagbabago or ang laki ng nangyari na sudden change, no? Na parang pwedeng mas mahirap or masakit para sa'yo. It's like you need to focus on yourself, you need to love yourself. Pero itong change na to is like, alam mo sa sarili mo, mahal mo tong taong to eh. 'Di ba? Hinahayaan mo lang na mangyari yung changes. Nakikita natin yan. You're letting go of the control issues. You're allowing this situation to unfold naturally. Ikaw to eh. Hinahayaan mo lang na mangyari yung mga dapat mangyari. I don't know what this connection feels like. Guided ito ng spirit guides and angel guides. So, kung may ending na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, just think na ito ay guided, well guided by your spirit guides. And with regards sa person mo, nakikita natin guided din siya. Guided din siya ng spirit guides. And what is happening right now is parang dapat lang talaga siyang mangyari. Masakit para sa'yo. You are the chaser here. Ikaw yung nakikita natin naghahabol or gustong maghabol. Pero yun nga kasi more like gustong maghabol pero parang hinahayaan mo na lang. Tinatry mo ang mas kinokontrol mo dito is yung urge mo na maghabol. Ganon. And you do have your coffin, masakit talaga sa'yo, stab in the back, nasasaktan ka. Diba? Especially if the keys on a ring is here. If you do, or if you have other options, or vice versa, pwedeng siya may other options, it's hurting you a lot. Lalo na, pero hindi yung iba naman, wala namang other person or other people. Kung ano lang yung nag-end dito, which is maybe a relationship. Separation is here. Yan, nakakita tayo ng pag-uusap regarding separation or regarding sa pakikipaghiwalay. So, masakit yan. Lalo na kung naging matagal yung connection or yung relasyon mo with this person. Kasi hindi biro eh. And with the lightning, it's like may mga kailangang pagbabago na gawain para i-work out niya yung sarili niya and or i-work out mo yung sarili mo. But the girl with the snake, I can see this person being maybe narcissist. It could be dealing with a narcissist, but you know, twin flame is here. Could be dealing with your twin flame, or this person could be dealing with his twin flame, or ikaw ito na may kakonect kang isa pa, which is a twin flame. But I can see a twin flame connection na involved dito sa connection ninyo. Hindi man kayo mismo, but maybe the other person na involved dito. Okay. And ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Fire sign. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Please tell me, spirit guides, angel guides. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The Grim Reaper. Okay. Coffee cup. And engagement ring. Clarify this, guys. Isa na lang. Okay. We do have your healing heart. Okay. So, sign ng person mo for fire sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of fire sign. The snake is here. Love call, coffin, and karmic relationship. Okay. Bottom of the deck. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be karmic relationship. Alam mo yan eh. If this is a twin flame connection or a karmic. Alin man dun. Mutual energy sa inyong dalawa, fire sign. New love and deception. Okay. The way I see this is masakit para sa'yo na parang pakiramdam mo wala ng chance sa connection nito. You don't see any chances anymore. Kailangan mong tanggapin or mag-heal sa heartbreak na nararamdaman mo ngayon. I can see magandang partnership sa inyong dalawa. Naging masayang partnership. Naging makulay. Oh, wait lang guys. Ang bigat ng energy, guys. Wait lang. Naiiyak ako sa... Ano ba tong reading mo? Nakakaiyak. Bakit ka ganyan, fire sign? Ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap makuha ng energy mo. Ang hirap. You know, I'm a tarot reader and also I'm an empath. So, nararamdaman ko yung emotions. Okay. Anyway. There's a lot of pain here coming from you, pero wala kang choice eh. Kailangan mo tanggapin. Pwede kasi masyado ng toxic or pero naging makulay eh. Yung connection nyo, yung relasyon nyo. Kumbaga parang hindi mo naman siya pinagsisisihan, but rather, marami ka natutunan. Okay? And, your person, nakita tayo dito ng pag-uusap sa inyo, maybe regarding separation. And, gusto niya ng, the snake is like, pagtatanggal ng old skin. And that could be yung mga memories or kung ano yung meron sa inyo. Gusto niya nang tanggalin kasi kailangan niya ng bagong bagong skin or bagong buhay. And maybe dito sa bagong chapter ng buhay niya, feeling niya, or hindi ka niya na kailangan. So, yan. Deception is here. So, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo may mga new person na involved. Kaya din nangyayari itong separation na ito. Pwedeng may bagong person. Pwedeng hindi naman necessarily inilagay ka sa third party, but there's a new person coming. And I feel like dito yun sa side ng person mo. Part of you gusto mong labigyan ng chance itong connection na ito. Kaya nga, part of you gusto mong maghabol kasi gusto mong bigyan ng chance Ayusin natin, parang ganun. Pero mas malaki yung chance na parang Wait lang, guys. Masakit siya. Wait lang. Ang hirap mong readingan ngayon, fire sign. Sobrang nakaka-affect. Nakaka-affect sa akin. But anyway, what will happen in the future for you, fire sign? Yeah, you do have your heart broken. Heart with a key, girl with a snake. And kukuha pa ako isang card. Wait lang. The snake is here. Seduction. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe there's a marriage na involved dito. You do have your worth waiting for. Stay optimistic about your love life. Religious factors is here. And then our future for you, fire sign. You do have here talking, not today, photograph, and twin flames. Like what I've told you, maybe there are twin flames involved here. Pwedeng sa side mo, pwedeng sa side niya, but there's third person na pwedeng magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng choices dito or healthy choices. Alam mo, minsan healthy choices na rin kasi minsan yung paghihiwalay, that is mas makakabuti pa. Healthy choice para sa bawat isa, especially kung may mga ibang taong involved. Not today is here. So both of you ay may ganong card, which is the not today. So in the future, kumbaga parang maging optimistic ka lang, stay positive, and you open your heart sa mga new love or maybe mga bagong opportunities para sa'yo. Heartbroken is here. I can see you being heartbroken in the future, pero wala ka na magagawa kasi girl with the snake is here. So there's another person involved. And pwede sa side mo yun. Ay, sa side ng person mo. So, dahil may competition na involved dito, medyo mas lalo ito sa mga kadagdag sa dahilan kung bakit parang wala ka na magagawa. But I can still see you loving this person with the kisses. Mahal mo pa rin siya, Coffin. Kahit masakit sa'yo yung ending na to, nakikita natin, mahal mo pa rin siya. Pero yung decision na ito yung parang nakakapagpasakit sa'yo. Gusto mo siyang kausapin, pero masasaktan ka lang, parang ganun. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.